Okay, finalize na tayo ng orders, guys. So, yung orders natin ay yung confirmed natin muna is yan muna dahil mag-over the barcode na po yung ating boxes. Ayun. So, ang gagawin natin today is to finalize and to write the names para po hindi mawala yung mga orders ninyo. And at the same time, ma-make sure na wala tayong makakalimutan. Ayun. Dahil wala minsan mahina talaga akong mag-remember, guys, mga pangalan, mga birthday, mga ganyan. Kaya hindi rin ako masyado nag-autang kasi hindi ko maalala kung sino yung bayaran. Baka mamaya mag-away-away tayo dyan. Ma-post pa ako, isang vlogger nag-utang, hindi nagbayad. Yahoo! Nakakahiya naman. Kaya yung mga inuutangan ko, talagang sinasabihan ko, pag nakalimutan ko, wag mo naman akong i-post. Ayun. So, nagpahinga lang ako ng konti, guys, kasi nag-live ako, parang kinapos ako ng hangin. All out kasi talaga ako, guys. Hindi lang sa pagmamahal. Hindi lang ako sa pagmamahal all out, pati sa pagbebenta-benta. So, samahan niyo ako ngayong araw. Busy-busyhan na naman ang lola ninyo. Boom! Alam nyo ba, guys, na merong tribe dito sa Africa na matatagpuan sa Kenya at matatagpuan sa Tanzania, and they are called Masai Mara tribe. They are very well known for their skill and talent in high jumps. As in, sobrang galing nilang tumalon. It is a part of their celebration and dance. Yung pagtalon na talagang hindi naka-straight lang yung kanilang mga legs. Actually, I had a video with them and I met them when I traveled with Mr. Wilbert Tolentino and Ka-Freshness team sa Serengeti or sa Tanzania. You can also find them in Kenya as well. They wear red and black plaid clothing and they also wear a lot of beaded accessories. Bracelet, necklace, earrings, headdress like this. And this is actually a Masai Mara accessory. An African tribe accessory here in Africa. And this is locally handmade, as you can see. It's very nice. It's very detailed. And I will bring some of this sa Jensen para sa mga gustong magrenta-benta. Ayun. So ngayon, nagpa-finalize pa rin ako, guys. Gutom na ang all, pero nagluluto si auntie ng ginisang monggo para sa amin. Kasi si Joseph at ako mamaya at si auntie ikakain ng golay. Dahil kami ay tumatanda na, guys. Kailangan na natin kumain ng golay at less soft drink at less karne muna tayo dito na side. Ayun. So maraming salamat, everyone. Alam ko marami sa inyo yung gusto na isama natin si Joseph, pero tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari kasi talagang wala, purita yung lola ninyo eh. Mahirap naman pag sinama ko siya tapos dun lang pala siya hanggang sa kalagitnaan ng biyahe, no, kasi wala na tayong budget wala na tayong budget sa mga gastusin. Ayun, pero anyway, let's pray. Whatever happens, tingnan natin ano mangyayari. Alright, guys. Nakatulog ako ngayon dahil sobrang lakas ng ulan. Tinabihan ko si Chico at medyo nakaidlip ako ng konti. Pero, meron tayong good news. Meron tayong good news. Ano ba? Sasabihin ko na ba sa inyo o hindi pa? Okay, pwede naman. So, meron tayong good news. Meron tayong special someone or special people. Hindi lang someone kasi madami. Na nagpadala ng kanilang suporta, ayun, para kay Joseph, ang ating kaibigan at assistant na lokal na African or Ugandan to be specific. And sa pagkakakilala kay Joseph ng 8 buwan, ang dami-dami kong nakita na potential at oportunidad na pwede sa kanya pero hindi mangyayari dahil meron siyang mga bagay na hindi niya mapagtutuunan ng pansin or hindi niya kayang gawin nang siya lang mag-isa. Kaya naman, kaso mahirap talaga. Ang hirap i-explain sa inyo yung mga sistema dito sa bansa ng Uganda or sa kontinente ng Africa. Marami pa ring mga bansa yung hindi pa efficient masyado yung mga sistema para sa kanilang mga tao. Ayun. Isa ito actually sa mga napansin ko, no, na common problem ng mga citizen dito sa Uganda. So, dahil alam ko ay magiging isang napaka-importanting edge nito para kay Joseph, tutulungan ko siyang ma-accomplish itong bagay na to. Pero syempre, hindi siya posible kung hindi dahil sa mga sumuporta at sa mga sumusuporta. So ngayon, tara, gagawin natin to. And saka na lang natin isosurpresa si Joseph. But this is the start of the process. Now, for those people who supported and sent their love and support na hindi ko ma-imagine, kasi minsan yung mga tao na talagang nakaka-relate at yung mga tao na minsan sila talaga yung maraming napagdaanan sa buhay, sila talaga yung pinaka-supportive. So, maraming salamat sa inyo in behalf of Joseph sa ngayon. Ako'y nagpapasalamat and watch out for the upcoming episodes. Okay. So, Chico, don't shout. Don't shout. Ayan, so ngayong araw guys, hindi pa pala ako naka-good morning. Good morning everyone! Maayong buntag, Uganda! Ganda ng sikat ng araw today. And kami ay, naku guys, wala na kaming oras. At today, ang dami kong gagawin. So, Joseph, Auntie, and I are going to clean this house. And kasi lagi naman natin itong nililinisan, kaya hindi masyadong marumi. Kailangan lang talaga siya punasan dahil maalikabok. And I'm going to add some few details. But yesterday, nilinisan namin yung maliit na bedroom with 4 beds. And today, I'm going to set up the master's bedroom. So, mamaya, gagawin ni Auntie yung beds para mapicturean na natin at mailagay na natin sa Airbnb. So, if ever meron kayong mga plano na mag-travel dito sa Uganda, available po ang aking bahay for short term and a bit of long term. 2 months, mga ganon. Kompleto po ito lahat. Fully furnished. Merong proper parking, merong wifi. Napakaganda ng location. Ayun, walang traffic dito sa location natin. And very peaceful. So, ayan si Joseph umaakyat, punas-punas ng wall. Is it very hard? Is the job hard?
No.
Is it making you sweat? You have to sweat.
I have to sweat because I'm running already.
So, punas-punas lang kami ni Joseph dahil maalikabok. Unahin natin sa wall. Make sure the cloth is clean because this one is cream. And then, magdadagdag ako ng few details on that side. Sa kakahimos, nakita ko ang aking relo. Hello, relo. Long time no see. Regalo ko to sa sarili ko birthday ko, last birthday ko sa Thailand. Ayan. Fossil na walang battery. So, maglilinis din siya ng balcony. And then, picturean natin mamaya. Set up yung bed. Meron tayong mattress protector. Meron tayong new sheets. And then, make sure na lahat ng ating furnitures ay malinis. Ayan, nakalabas lahat yung gamit namin, guys. Sa balutan mode. Baka nagtataka kayo, hindi nyo nakikita yung mga bata. Hubot-hubad kasi sila. Naglalaro sila sa toilet. Ayan, nandito lang ako malapit para masilip-silip natin. Si Kulot at saka si Chico. Alam nyo guys, kung iniisip nyo na maliit si Chico, wag kayong kumpiyansa. Si Chico ay galing sa ghetto. Ghetto ng Africa. O yung mga swagger. So, napakalakas na bata. Naglalaro sila, papalaruin ko lang dahil sinisipon at medyo ma-steam yung kanilang katawan sa hot water. And then, yes, mamaya medyo busy ako sa hapon. May lakad kami ni Joseph. For few things we have to do. And, yeah. Samahan nyo kami ngayong araw pa rin, guys. We'll see you on today's episode.
A few moments later.
Ayan na guys, kami ay paalis na. Papunta na syudad. Magtagalog lang tayo para hindi niya maintindihan. So, ito ay continuation na lang no, ng ginawa ko kahapon. Kasi hindi ko natapos. So, ngayon, wala siyang idea na pupunta kami sa isang opisina kung saan aasikasuhin yung papeles na mahalaga. Ay, ang hirap palang mag-translate pa Tagalog ng mga papeles na yan. Kasi pag sinabi mo din sa Tagalog yung word,
yangu wangenda
masyado din siyang obvious.
Teka Mungu muchituni.
So ngayon, meron akong imimit doon kasi mahirap dito guys, umaabot ng mga mahirap dito mag-asikaso ng mga dokumento. Sobra, minsan umaabot pa ng 1 taon. Swerte ka pa kapag umabot sa'yo ng 1 taon, pero alam nyo dito, wala iba dito. Ayoko i-mention kasi mahirap na magsalita tayo, pero mahirap dito mag-asikaso ng papeles. Kailangan meron kang mga tutulong sa'yo. Yun na lang yung sasabihin ko. So ngayon, pupuntahan natin yung trusted na tutulong at talagang uunahin at priority. So ibig sabihin, mga 2-3 araw, okay agad, tapos agad. Though meron tayong mga sacrifices here and there, sacrifices ng bulsa. Pero dahil sa inyo at nagtutulungan-tulungan tayo, naging posible pa din. Ayun. Pero napakagandang regalo nito at napakagandang oportunidad. Napakagandang hindi inaakalang pangyayari sa buhay ng isang lokal. Talagang pure na pure yung pagtagalog ko. Hirap na hirap ako guys. Malapit lang, hindi siya masyadong malapit na nga, nasa 30 minutes yung opisina. So let's go. And then sana hindi na tayo magtatagal doon ng konti. Pero ang pagkakaalam ko, basta provided nila lahat. O, 'di ba, bongga? Sa kadami-dami ng kailangang i-provide, parang 1 na lang or 2 na lang yung kailangan i-provide ng side namin. So mamaya tatanungin natin at sasabihin natin kung ano ba talaga yung nagaganap ngayong araw. Kaya abangan nyo. Abangan nyo sa episode na to ang mga reaksyones ng mga katawang lupa. Parang no limit ang hiri yung mga pagsusulat ng mga words. Okay, so nag-stuck kami sa traffic pero okay lang dahil nakabili kami na yung merienda ni Joseph. Okay kasi yung na-stuck ka sa traffic tapos meron kang masima-sima ba. Ang pangit ng traffic ngayong araw, napansin ko lang. Joseph, what did you buy for yourself?
That's a mango.
Mango?
Yeah.
Ripe also.
Yeah, try and juice.
Yeah, ayan, nabili namin ni Joseph and nilagang mani. So madami rin yung nagbebenta during traffic, karga-karga nila sa basket sa ulo nila. Hindi ko na kinuna ng video kasi merong iba na nahihiya. Ayun. Merong iba naman na mabait, tumatawa, nagsasmile. Alright guys, kadarating lang namin dito dahil maulan at matraffic. Wala pa akong dalang payong, so help me God. Ayan, nasa likod ko ngayon yung opisina kung saan natin dadalhin si Joseph. Naku, ano kaya itong sorpresa para kay Joseph? Parang ano na to lupa at bahay sana all. Yahoo! Sana all binibigyan ng lupa at bahay. Ilang ano kaya to square meter? 1,000 square meter pala, enough lang para tayuan, no? So, abang-abang natin guys. Sana makapasok tayo sa loob. Let's go. Joseph guys. So Joseph, do you know why we are here? You don't know? You don't have any idea?
No.
Okay. So just recently, few of us have agreed that we can give you something better. Right? Better? That you can remember for the rest of your life. Right? Okay? You understand what I'm saying? Yes. I know goats are good, but some things are also important. And I know some people, they don't think of that. Yeah. So that office there is where they get passports. Auntie is not here. She's going to cry again. Come here. Okay, so Madam had to cross mountains and bridges together with few people, and they have agreed. And this one is for you. So this, I processed everything already. Everything is paid. Your passport will go out in 2 days. Where are you going first? Are you going to? Where are you going first? Oh my goodness! I've been praying like nothing. Eh? Huh?
I don't have no words.
Well, you can have words later because
Yeah,
right
true.
now the office is waiting for you. We have taken care of an express processing, so it can be released in 2 days. So these are all the documents. They need you to sign there inside.
Madam.
So this passport is valid for 10 years. Years. So this is a gift that will be with you for 10 years.
Madam,
I know. Oh, ayan guys, shock na shock si Joseph. In behalf of me, in behalf of everyone, ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo. Dahil sa inyo, syempre, we believe that this is a good thing for Joseph. Ayun. So that thing there is an office for passport. You will have a brand new passport.
was
And
like-
it's even express. You're not going to wait for 1 year, for 2 years. It's
What?
just 2 days.
very fine.
I know. Madam is just a tool for everything. But I agree for this with my support and with other people's support. Here it is in front of you. That's good for 10 years. Okay, you go with him. This is Alex. You go. Give me my things. I will wait here because they said they changed the policy.
Okay.
I can't go inside. Bring me my food. You can carry the bag. Huh? You can live here. Alright. You have your ID, passport sizes. Ayan. May schedule kasi si Joseph. Don't forget everything. Pasok ka na sa loob, dong. Put the bread there and close. Ayan. Grabe si Joseph, 2 days lang. Weh! You go. Yes, I'm here. Ako pang ako pang nagawang assistant nito, guys. So, ayan. Ako pang nangyaring assistant kasi hindi pala pwedeng pumasok doon ng ibang tao. Dahil nagbago na sila ng kanilang policy. They are very strict now. So, yung pupunta lang ay yung importanteng tao at saka si Joseph. Importante din si Joseph pero level down. Dahil kailangan niya nang maglagay ng kanyang scan, ng kanyang finger at saka interview. Ayun. Na-speechless siya guys, wala siyang masabi. Kahit naman siguro sino, no, mas-speechless kahit ako. Kasi yung natanggap ko yung passport ko sa tanang buhay ko guys, grabe, sobrang special nung araw na yun nung nahawakan ko yung passport ko. At yung unang labas ko sa Pilipinas ay sa Thailand. So, for me, passport is like a key to another portal. Pero hindi, ito kasi, isa kasi ito sa bagay na magpupush sa'yo to do more, to see more, to meet more. Ayun. At alam ko, pag hindi natin to ginawa para kay Joseph, hindi to mangyayari. Number 1, sa probinsya nila Joseph, walang opisina. Number 2, minsan kapag hindi mo talaga siya pinagtutuunan ng pansin, hindi ka magkakaroon ng budget para sa ganito. At magkakaroon sila ng limitasyon na, hindi na ako lalabas ng bansa, hindi na ako magta-travel kasi unang-una wala naman akong passport. O, ayun. So guys, ngayong araw ay napakalaking araw para kay Joseph Wisto, ang ating lokal na kasamahan at ang aking personal na assistant for quite few months. Alam ko, hindi kami masyadong nagkasama ni Joseph, pero yung patience niya and ang dedication niya is very respectable. Ayun. So, na-speechless siya guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, pumasok ka muna doon dahil bukas mahahawakan mo na yung passport mo. Alam ko, medyo sobrang laki ng nagagastos kapag ganitong klase. Pero wala kasi tayong choice. Wala tayong choice. Kasi kung hindi natin gagawin to, may posibilidad na either matatanggap niya ng 1 taon or baka hindi niya pa matanggap. Ganon. Ayun. So, yeah, I'm happy. And andito lang ako sa labas. Moral support pala. Molar. Ano yun? Ngipin. Ayun. Dala ko yung sarili kong tubig. Ako na muna yung magbibitbit ng aking gamit. At okay naman dahil ako nakapag-lunch bago kami umuwi. At ang aking tiyan ay malaki. Busog na busog ako guys. O baka hindi lang ako nakapag-jebs. My goodness. So another thing na naman ang na-scratch off sa aking listahan ng mga must to do. Maraming salamat once again. Alam ko mamaya magpapasalamat si Joseph, pero maraming salamat sa this very few people na sumang-ayon na ito yung gagawin natin para kay Joseph. 10 taon you guys, 10 taon na regalo sa kanya. Imagine. Kung anong magiging plano niya susunod, tingnan natin. Kung ano yung oportunidad na mangyayari na susunod, tingnan natin. Abang-abangan natin. Kasi, like I said, people should enjoy every single day. And don't think of tomorrow muna. Kasi you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Kaya, ayun. Kung ano man yung nangyari ngayong araw na to, I'm sure Joseph will not forget that. And he will be with this thing forever in his heart. Sobrang saya. Kasi si Auntie Christine, ang nagbigay naman sa kanya ng passport is yung tatay ng mga bata. First namin na travel abroad ay Zanzibar, Tanzania. Binigyan siya ng passport. Ganun din, express din, 2 araw tapos na. And then lahat ng papeles during that time, meron pang COVID vaccine, kailangan pa ng yellow vaccine. Ang dami naming pinoses na papeles. So, lahat yon at least okay na kay Auntie. Si Joseph naman ngayon, yung nagkaroon ng chance. So, I do believe na I was here. I am here for a reason. I do believe na nakilala nila ako for a reason. And I know I know that it might not be one of their prayers, but sometimes we believe and we know that God surprises us in a way na we don't expect. Ayan. So maraming salamat again you guys. I'll see you later. Antayin natin si Joseph dito. Sana hindi siya magtagal masyado dahil baka matubuan ng ugat yung aking barikos. Baka matubuan ng barikos ang aking mga paa. Yun pala. Alright guys.
Eternity later.
I was laughing. That's very fast. Where is he? Yeah. You need to have a celebratory. How do you call when they do in football, when they make a goal? For you, what's your celebratory action? Wakanda forever. Wakanda with passport.
No, either as Africa, Philippines, worldwide, at large, all the support, forever.
So what did you do there? Tell us.
Nothing much, I just like it there.
Yeah, because everything was already paid for, so nothing much. They help us.
No, they just took my national ID. They confirmed my language.
Yes.
And they said you can go and rest home.
Hey. Oh my goodness. When are you coming back for it? Is it tomorrow?
You told me.
I think.
Maybe you communicate with the other man.
Yes, actually, we'll call. He's calling me right now. This time you have to focus now. Passport is already out of the list. Now you will focus on your pamasahe. Pamasahe is fair. Your fare to, because passport is something else. It pushes you. It pushes you to not stay in one place. Mama, you're speechless.
For real.
Even me, if it happens to me, I will be speechless. Because I remember that day I had my passport. I was 21 when I had my passport. I feel amazing. I feel like, you know what? I can't believe. I look at it every day.
Like, I feel like I'm flying tomorrow.
Yeah. I look at it every day like nothing. Is there a lot of people? I know. Yes. Many people, and they will wait. Some of them comes in the morning. Some of them came back for how many days? Because the line is too much. Hey. Mama, you keep that one. Joseph. Mama.
Thank you so much.
You'll talk to them later again.
Yeah, true.
Right, nakabalik na si Joseph, guys. Akala nyo tapos na ang aming mga paghihirap. Hindi. Para matapos na ang lahat at wala na siyang problemahin sa mga sumusunod niyang mga plano sa buhay. Ayan! What's this? This is the yellow vaccine book. And this is golden. Very important kapag tumatravel ang isang African, dapat meron nito. Hindi sila makapunta sa ibang bansa kapag wala nito, guys. Kasi ang Africa ay isa sa mga affected ng yellow. Anong tawag mo dun? The yellow fever. Yes, the yellow fever. And yellow fever is from mosquito, right? Is it from mosquito? Yellow fever. Yes, from mosquito. That's why everyone needs to have a vaccine. But this is good for lifetime. Ay, hala. Okay, I'm not supposed to open it. It's good for a lifetime, you guys. Ayun. Lifetime, right? And how was the injection? Ayan. Okay. At least done. Final. Ayun guys, natapos din lahat ng mga kailangan ni Joseph. Ang tagal-tagal namin. Talagang prioritize ko yung mga kailanganin niya para hindi na siya mahirapan. Hindi ko ba alam, oy bakit sobra akong stage ma'am? Hindi ko na nga siya sinamahan sa ospital. Baka mamaya sabihin ninyo 110 yung support ko sa kanya. Pero ano, maganda yung ganon kasi hindi ako nagigilty ba na parang pag nagbigay tayo ng tulong o nagbigay tayo ng suporta, hindi halfway, kundi full. So, yeah, tapos na kami ngayong araw. Inantay ko lang siya and then time to pack na tayo kasi konting araw na lang.